Hello there, precious person, and welcome to the Sunday Success Sessions. Now, if you're new here, I really hope you enjoy this channel, and I hope you enjoy today's video. And if you do, then please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, maybe drop a comment, and please share it with someone who needs to see this, because this is a free resource, and I do believe that I provide value here. Now, if you're already a subscriber, welcome back, lovely. So, coming up, we're talking about energy. And please watch this video till the end because I'm giving you a live demo of an energy clearing that you can do as a daily practice or whenever you feel overwhelmed or whenever you feel you need to. Now, why energy? Well, because it's the most fundamental thing. You and I are energetic beings. This whole universe is energy. This device that I'm recording on is made up of energy. Our thoughts are energy, our emotions are energy, our words, our actions. Energy dictates our state of being, mind, body, heart, soul, spirit. It shapes our successes, our failures, our relationships, our experiences as human beings. Basically, it controls everything. Now, most people are not aware of their energy, and that's so sad. They just let their true potential waste away because they don't know how to harness their own energy. It's akin to having electricity in your home, but you're still sitting in the dark with the mains off. Don't you think that's a colossal waste? Would you even consider doing something like that? Yet we do this with our energy. We never flip that switch on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch on those mains again so you can be in charge of your energy. You can understand it. You can protect it. You can harness it for whatever you want to manifest in your life. All the successes and progress. Use it for happiness, for health, for wealth, for love, for friendships, for your spiritual higher self connection, and so much more. So let's get started. And whenever we want to understand something, we've got to go back to the basics. And since we are energy, we have to be really careful about how we preserve it, how we use it wisely, and how we protect it against exploitation. Not just exploitation by other people, but including our own exploitation. So let's talk about how do we preserve our energy. Now, preserving our energy is extremely important to maintain a healthy balance in our daily lives. Because you will notice when you feel dense and heavy, and on other days you will notice when you feel light and effervescent. So number one is to prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical needs, your emotional needs, your mental needs, through activities like exercise, a healthy diet, fulfilling relationships, me time, quality sleep, meditation, awareness through mindfulness. The next is to learn to say no. This is so important, precious person, to set clear boundaries. Don't overcommit yourself. I've been a victim of that. I have overcommitted myself because I did not have the capacity to say no. I did not want to say no. So you have to learn to draw the line to preserve your sanity and your energy. Number three is to delegate tasks. You know, the greatest leaders and the most successful people have learned to delegate tasks to others, especially those that drain their energy. So take a page from their book and do the same. The fourth one is to organize your time. I use a planner. I use a Google Calendar. I schedule my day and prioritize all my activities, the most important to the least important, because you can only do 4 to 5 things a day. So conserve your energy and avoid burnout by prioritizing and following a planner. The fifth one is to focus on anything positive and everything positive. Be around people who uplift and encourage you. Limit your exposure to those energy vampires and naysayers. Avoid negative people. The sixth is to manage stress. Identify your stress first, understand what triggers your stress, and then manage it. Use techniques like pranayama, even counseling, going for a walk in the park, walking on grass. Spend time in nature. Spending time in nature can help you to restore your energy levels and reduce stress. A walk in the park, a hike, a bike ride. Even walking on the grass or listening to the chirping of birds. Research proves that when you listen to a bird or to birds chirping for even a minute, it reduces your stress levels by more than 70%. So by following these tips, you can learn to preserve your energy, live a more balanced and fulfilling life. These are not difficult to do, but you have to commit to them by taking action, because that's what we suffer from, inaction. The next is I'm going to show you how to use your energy wisely. Using your energy wisely is so important because your brain needs 22% of your calorie intake. So to develop a productive, fulfilling and successful life, you need to use your energy wisely. Don't waste your brain power. So number one is set goals. Goal setting is a science. It's not ad hoc. Set goals, write them down, prioritize them in order of importance. This will help you to conserve your energy and to focus on the most important tasks rather than focusing on mundane tasks, unimportant activities, and wasting your time. The next one is to focus on one task at a time. This whole hustle culture and this whole multitasking syndrome is a complete wrong thing. It drains your energy because when your brain has to shift from one thing to another, it's like going back to the drawing board again. So you're wasting so much energy because it has to start again. If you were doing one task, then you move to another task. To go back to the first task, you have to start all over again to a certain extent. The other thing is take breaks. Restore your energy levels to prevent burnout. I teach people to work in 90-minute time blocks and then take a break for 15 minutes and practice some sort of mindfulness or some sort of distraction activity like going for a walk. They can check their phones at that time. They can drink water. They can do a short meditation. Okay? Also, you need to really understand that you need to take these breaks to fuel you for the next time block. So mindfulness can also help a lot because it reduces stress, it keeps you in the present moment, it keeps you focused, it uplifts you. So mindfulness is a great tool. Also prioritizing rest, a 20-minute nap if you can. I try to every afternoon for 20 minutes to recharge my batteries. And I always prioritize sleep. You've got to sleep ideally before 10:30 in the night and wake up around 5:30 in the morning. If you can't, at least try and sleep before 12 a.m. The next one may seem ridiculous, but it is so important. Prioritize positive self-talk because negative thoughts and negative actions and words take up more energy. It also makes your energy dense, heavy, negative, low, erratic. So practice talking to yourself positively so then you will talk to others and interact with others positively. The next one is let's talk about how to protect our energy because protecting our energy is so important. It affects us on every level, mental, emotional, relationships-wise, intellectual, our cognitive abilities. So we have to protect our energy. And again, one of the best ways to protect our energy is to set boundaries. Prioritize your needs over others because when you are coming from a state of an overflowing cup, then you can serve others. But if your cup is empty, you can't serve others. The next one is to prioritize time and self-care. Practicing time for self-care. You see, your body is a machine. Just like you service a machine, you've got to service your body, your mind, your soul, your spirit, your emotions. You've got to nourish them. This can be practiced through journaling, through yoga, through mindfulness, through just taking a break and walking in nature. Even surrounding yourself with positive people is a great thing because it inspires you and you limit your exposure to toxic people. Limit your exposure also to negative news, negative social media. Unplug from technology at least 1 hour before you go to bed. Read a book. Nourish your soul with something uplifting before you go to sleep. Because toxic information will create toxicity in your energy. You need to connect. I keep saying again and again, connect with a pet. Connect with nature. Connect with what is nature's medicine. Animals, plants, insects. And while you're in nature, you can practice gratitude. I do this every morning. I go to my terrace, I raise my hands high up and I say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this moment. Thank you for my pet. Thank you for my mother. Thank you for this terrace. Gratitude is a great way to protect your energy. Now, these are all practical tips that we've spoken about. And we can certainly use this for ourselves and for others. We can unclutter and we can avoid crowded energy. We can avoid wasting our energy. We need to stay grounded and we need to use our energy wisely to manifest the life that we want, to connect with divine support, with divine guidance, to stop other people's opinions from affecting us, to stay away from, the naysayers, to trust our higher wisdom, to trust our intuition. So like I said, I promised you I was going to do an energy clearing. So grab a glass of water if you have one. I insist on a glass of water. Drink some water and sit up straight. Keep your feet firmly planted on the floor. Remove your shoes. Feel the earth beneath you. Really ground in with all 10 toes, with the balls of your feet, the arches of your feet, the soles of your feet. Feel the 4 corners of your feet. I'm going to keep my eyes open just to make sure that the camera is working. You may close your eyes if you wish. I suggest that you close your eyes. It will take away distraction. Rub your palms and shake them out. And now start to feel the energy between your palms. It feels like a magnetic pull. Rub again. This magnetic pull is vibration. It has tone. It has quality. It can be dense. It can be heavy. It can be draining. Or it can be light, effervescent, joyful, fulfilling, uplifting. So once we clear everything out, then we are in our true energetic self. So our energetic fields can be photographed. You keep feeling the energy. I'll just walk you through this and give you some vital information. So our energy fields can be photographed, right? There is a Russian scientist, I think it's called something with K. Something with K. I'll put it in the show notes here. It's something called K photography, where you can measure your energy. You can see your energetic fields. Now place your hands in your lap and breathe. Open and push the energy out with your hands. Breathe. Push the energy. Breathe. Now cross your arms. Push the energy. Push the energy. Push away all psychic attacks, psychic contamination, authorized and unauthorized thoughts, dark, distress, disease, dense energy, energy that doesn't serve your highest purpose for your highest good. Keep pushing the energy. Do it as many times as you need to feel clear. You can even say loudly, everybody out. Everybody out. Now I want you to imagine that there are lungs on the base of your feet and breathe up from your feet towards your heart. You'll automatically notice your chest opening up, because when we want to release something somatically, we need to lift our bodies. We need to exaggerate our bodies, move through the body, exaggerate it, mean it. If you want someone to leave your home who is attacking you, are you going to be like, please leave? It's okay, please leave me. No, I don't think so. So it's the same here. You want the stale, the dense, the vampire energy that's invading your being to go. So let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Purge the energy out. Breathe in and push. Now, if there's something really stuck in your brain, like a bad memory, a bad thought, something that someone said, or even a bad situation that you can't get out of your head, thump your thymus. I don't want to thump too much because of my mic. So just thump your thymus over here and say, ha, 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 ha. So you want to breathe into your belly, press your belly into your spine, ha, ha, and throw your voice out, okay? So breathe in, press your belly now towards your spine, ha, ha. So you're breathing in and throwing your voice out. You can do this a couple of times. And when you're ready, when you think you've had enough, when it's all gone, smile, close your eyes, put your hands on your heart and feel the inner guidance bathing you with light. Bathe yourself with white light. Feel your heart, feel your guidance. feel out in all the 4 directions. Up, down, right, left, all the 6 directions rather. Up, down, right, left, front and back. And now I want you to imagine 4 feet in each of these 6 directions and fill in this 4 feet in each of the 6 directions with the color of your choice. This is called your sacred space. It's your space. When people talk about space, when someone is in your face, they are invading your space. So be with yourself. You can hear your guidance. You can feel your inner voice. You can feel who you really are within this space. So I want you to fill up the space with any effervescent light healing color. It could be rose gold, it could be pink, white, light electric violet, peach gold, just white light. Fill it up, fill this space, fill in all the directions. Front, back, right, left, up and down. Fill up this 4 feet all around you with this light. Feel protected, feel grounded. Now intention that nothing is going to cross this barrier. Nothing is going to come through this barrier. Feel that intention. That your energy can move out, but nothing is going to cross this 4-foot barrier. Seal that with your intention by saying this out loudly. I intention that this 4 feet in all these 6 directions is going to protect me and preserve my energy today. This is permeable from the inside out, but impermeable from the outside in. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. So how does that feel? I hope that this helps. If you have any questions or comments, please put it in the comment section below. Now, I want to offer you something as my subscriber, and as we move into Q2, the second quarter of 2023, I want you to be able to consciously create your life. So if you enjoy my videos, my content, and if you enjoy this, you know that I'm all about mind, body, heart, and soul connection. I'm a coach, I'm a therapist, I'm a mindfulness teacher, I'm a mental health practitioner, I'm a yoga and a meditation teacher. I'm certified in all of these, and I've learned from great masters, and I've got enough life experience and learned from my clients and workshop participants to share this information with you efficiently, safely, and effectively. So join me for my masterclass in March. The link is below. Click on the link, join me for my masterclass. It's free, and you get 4 gifts of immense value in your inbox the moment you sign up. Also, please join the WhatsApp group. Don't just leave the page. Join the WhatsApp. Once you fill in your details, it will take you to a thank you page. Please click the WhatsApp button and join the WhatsApp group, because there you're going to be updated before the masterclass. You're also going to get voice messages, maybe videos, audios from me encouraging you, taking questions from what you would like to discuss in the masterclass besides the curriculum, and providing value to you in the masterclass. So please join the WhatsApp group. Now, I would like you to bring somebody with you to avail this facility, because when we grow and we pay it forward, it really opens up your energy for alignment, to attract your desires and to achieve everything that you want. Because when we grow and when we co-elevate and when we have gratitude by helping another person without expecting anything in return, the universe always rewards us. So come and join my masterclass. I will give you so much value for 3 hours that you are going to go back feeling satiated, feeling light, feeling energized, and feeling that was so much value in 3 hours. I aim to always over-deliver, and I love you so much because I want you to become the conscious creator of your precious life, just like I am the conscious creator of my life. Stay true to being you, precious one, because you matter, and I'm your sister in alignment and healing. From my heart to yours, Atma Namaste. Stay true to being you.